Sometimes things just go terribly wrong in a real estate transaction, but I want to tell you a story because this is why it's important to have a real estate agent on your side who is knowledgeable and looking out for your best interests. Okay, here's the quick story. I had a seller, I was the listing agent, we were under contract, and the buyer defaulted right before closing. And what this means is that the buyer was not able to get their loan. There are places in the contract that tell you you have a specific amount of time to get full approval for your loan, and we were past this amount of time. So even though this was so tragic for my seller and they were already planning their move and now everything was just upended, I was able to get them the earnest money and recover it from the buyer so that my seller could keep it. And this is really, really hard to do. The amazing thing is that we were able to go back out on the market and almost immediately get back under contract with better terms negotiated that actually netted my seller $5,500 more than the original contract was going to get her. And so with the earnest money that I was able to recover for her and the additional $5,500 net in the contract that we were now in, we were above $8,000 in the positive. So yes, we had to wait another extra month to actually close, but at the end of the day, fighting for my seller was the right thing to do, and we were able to get a better deal for her in the end. If you're looking for a real estate agent that is going to fight for you and knows the contract inside and out to be able to actually protect you and your assets, I'm that girl for you, and I can't wait to be your realtor.